Welcome to Ethics Lecture Series 1. This is the first video of Ethics Lecture Series. In this, we are moving into the syllabus. This is the first topic of our syllabus, that is essence of ethics. In this, we are going to learn about what is ethics, why we need to study ethics, and what are not ethics. Okay, without wasting any time, let's move to the content. Okay, what is ethics? If someone asked me this question a few years back, I would have said ethics is something doing good. This is what my perception about ethics was. Now, after reading for UPSC, I gained some understanding about ethics. Ethics is derived from Greek word called ethikos. Ethics is nothing but what is good or what is bad. I was partially right some years back because I said that ethics, according to me, ethics was doing something good. But what actually ethics is, understand between right and wrong, or what is good or what is bad. That's what ethics is about. This is the bookish definition. It is a set of principles that guide human actions which are acceptable by the society. Let me break down the definition. Let me break down the definition. Yeah. These are key points you need to remember. Set of principles, human actions that guide human actions, and acceptable by the society. Set of principles is nothing but rules. In the next video, I'll be taking some of the ethics terms. So for this video, just remember that principles are nothing but rules. And human actions. Based on these rules, you will frame your human actions. Human actions can be anything. Donating is also considered as human action, and killing someone is also considered as human actions. Hence, based on the rules, you frame your human actions. That human actions should be acceptable by the society. This is what ethics is. Now you will be having a question: what are acceptable by the society? Actually, this is a vague concept because not all good things are accepted by the society and not all bad things are disapproved by the society. It's mix of both. But the philosophers say if your actions fall under these two categories, that is, if your actions are selfless and it doesn't harm anyone, then your action considered to be ethical. Hence, I hope I provided some clarity about what is ethics. Ethics is nothing but providing distinction between what is good or what is bad, and this is the bookish definition. And if your action falls under these two categories, then you can consider then your human action considered to be ethical. Next. Okay, we saw what is ethics. Now the next topic is why we need ethics. Obviously, I can hear your voice that we need ethics to clear the UPSC examination. Okay, accepted. But why we need ethics in our day-to-day life? We need ethics to provide practical guidance, to act as a guide to our life. I'll quote an example here. Let us assume I want to be rich. I need some 10 crores to reflect on my bank account. In order to earn 10 crore, I have two options. Option number A is work all my lifetime or do some business that are accepted by the society, that is, which are legal. And the second option is things I can do which are illegal, like smuggling, robbery. I have two options to earn my objective, that is to earn 10 crore in my lifetime. So which option should I choose? If I didn't know ethics what is ethics, anything, then definitely I would have chosen the option B. Because it's the easiest option, right? I can earn 10 crore within 10 years, probably, if I do smuggling and robbery, etc. Because everything is illegal and it fetches more money. So definitely I can earn 10 crore, that's for sure. So what would be the consequence? Definitely I would end up in jail. Then what's the purpose of earning 10 crore and spending the rest of your life in jail? So if I had known ethics before, definitely I would have gone with the option A, because this is legal, it is approved by the society, hence it is ethical. I don't know whether I would achieve my objective or not. Definitely I would earn some money, and I'm 100% sure I won't end up my life in jail. Hence, ethics acts as a practical guide to our lives to choose between right and wrong. Next thing is, it helps to deal ethical dilemmas. Just a second, I'll rub it. It helps to deal ethical dilemmas. I'll give an example for this also. Previously, I was working in a private bank, as an assistant manager. I was in charge for all the transactions that are happening inside the bank. I need to approve at the end. One day, my manager asked me to approve a transaction of 1 crore without a check, without a physical check. He said that customer will give within 2 or 3 days. Hence, you do the transaction and the check will be given by the customer after 2 or 3 days. Now I am in an ethical dilemma. This is what ethical dilemma is. Because as per my organization code, I need to obey my manager. And my manager asked me to do this transaction without a check. And as per the ethics, this is completely unethical. Because as per the RBI guidelines, this is not approved by the regulator. Hence, it is unethical. So, if I hadn't knew ethics before, definitely I would have obeyed my manager's order. As I knew ethics, if I knew ethics, definitely I would have gone with the second option. That's how ethics helps in dealing your ethical dilemmas that you face, that you come across in day-to-day life. I hope I have provided some clarity on this topic. Let's move to the next topic. Okay, next topic is what is not ethics. Ethics is not morality. Morality will be discussed in detail in the next video. For this video sake, just remember, ethics is not morality. Ethics is not religion, because ethics doesn't restrict to religion. Ethics is applied to everyone, irrespective of religion. That's why we are saying ethics is not religion. Ethics is not a law. All the act or all the human action which are approved by the society can be coded as law, but vice versa can't happen. For example, take example of marital rape. This is unethical, but whereas there is no law to punish it. And also, if you are against the law, you will be punished. Whereas if your action is unethical, you won't be punished. But the thing is, it will be unethical. It will be considered as unethical. That's how ethics differentiate from law. Ethics is not a law. And ethics is also not cultural norms. In modern history, you would have come across many terms like sati, and there are many laws which were against widows, women. These all were accepted by the society, were cultural norms, but it was unethical. Why? Because it was harming someone. This is how ethics differentiate from cultural norms. The best example you could give is sati. That's it for today's video. In the next video, I'll come across all the key terms that have been constantly used in ethics. So, to get more ethics and UPSC videos, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, like the video, because your like and one subscription will definitely motivate me to do more such videos. So, if you haven't joined the Telegram group yet, join the Telegram group to get more current affairs and static notes. The link has been provided in the description. So, that's it for today's video. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.